Well, hey, welcome to the kitchen. We are making broccoli salad today. So far, I've got a bag of broccoli all cut down for florets, a bunch of matchstick carrots. I chopped up a bunch of celery we need to get rid of, and I'm now working on some Granny Smith apples. And I have some fried bacon already cut up, ready to go in. The only thing left for veggies is a onion, and I think, oh man, these grannies, boy, those are good. And then it's time to mix up the wet stuff, which is going to be, well, I'll decide when I get there. Anyway, this is the scrap bucket. That's going to the chickens down to George and Lisa's when I get down there, probably tomorrow or Tuesday or Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday is supposed to rain, so whenever I get down there, that's going with me, I hope. This is going down the gullet soon. People food. Back in a bit. Okay, time for the wet ingredients. I'm having to hold the camera with my left hand because I'm right-handed. So we have some mayonnaise in here. I'm going to put in just a little bit of mustard. Let's see, we're going to put in, the recipe calls for sugar. We're going to use honey. About that much. Call it a tablespoon. And I was supposed to use lemon juice, but I forgot to buy it. So guess what? We'll just use a little apple cider vinegar. Where's the label? Here we go. Mrs. Bragg's. I don't know if it's Mrs. Bragg's or not, but Bragg's Organic. And we'll just put a splash. There we go. Just enough to give it some bite. And we have people on blood pressure meds in the house, so we're not going to use a lot of salt. I think the mustard's going to have that in it too. And if I can get this thing open, which I could have done off camera, and a little black pepper. Yeah, something like that. That'll do. Now all I got to do is mix this up and put it in here. And we'll see how that goes. Now the recipe called for, I think, a cup of mayonnaise and a cup of Greek yogurt. Well, I didn't get yogurt. So I'm just using all mayonnaise and doctoring up from there. Back in a bit. And there we have it. Again with the left hand hold so I can take a bite. Oh, I did have to make another small batch of sauce. And I think that's just right. And the crunch, the sweetness with the apples, a little bite from the onion, the carrot, celery, it all comes together really good. Okay, I'm going to eat this up and put this video into the pipeline as soon as I can. Later.